Here we are in Pleasurewood Hills, and we're experiencing the ride known as the. It's not actually called the log flume, but it is a log flume. But we'll confirm the name of the ride as soon as we can. We're not supposed to do this, but I'm actually doing it anyway. Stop shaking! And we're coming up.
Put your phone down!
Tony, I cannot see you. Whoa. That was an experience.
My shoes!
And a quarter.
My shoes! My shoes! I'm so mad! My shoes! My inner soul!
And this is the steepest part of the course. And we're going to come down this chute in a moment. But it really does take you high, and you can see some of the rides around the park. You can see the wipeout and the slidey thing, and the other one with the pirate ship, which we went on earlier, and the one with the whales. And now we're going to come down, and here we go! Whoa! Oh my God!
I never get so well that far.
I didn't get one.
Oh my God!
I am safe!
That was an experience. Wow! If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, guys.